How to find Facebook username and profile link. Firstly, we are going to open the Facebook application on your device. Then click on the menu section at the bottom right corner. Now you have entered the menu page. Click on the username displayed at the top along with your profile picture. This will take you to your profile. Navigate the three horizontal dots located at the right side of Edit Profile. As you can see on the screen at the very bottom, there is a section called Your Profile Link. You can simply click on the Copy Link button, and now you have copied your link to your profile. You can paste this link on somewhere for future use. As you can see on the screen, I've pasted the link in a Notes application of the iPhone device. And that's it. This is how you can find your Facebook username and profile link. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.